Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Buick Envision all-wheel drive premium T. The T stands for the fact that this has the turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder, which provides a lot more power, to be completely honest. Very, very nice vehicle. Stickers for a total of $42,390. Of course, that's before incentives and stuff like that. Nice back seat area. Nice soft leather. Still got all the protective wrapping on it. Some of you may find that, what's it called? Like ASMR or whatever. Just put that in there for now. Automatic windows. Some of the shipping documents. Nice little storage cubby here. But yeah, without further ado, let's head out on the road. Try this pothole here. Not an issue at all. It actually handles really, really well. I'm very surprised. Of course, traffic is always a thing around here. Yeah, the 2-liter turbo is a fantastic motor. No complaints at all. Brake pedal feel is phenomenal. Good amount of braking. Overall, the Envision is absolutely awesome. Very, very luxurious. No complaints at all there. touch sensitive. Smart idea, Buick. Highway speed, it's absolutely phenomenal. Very smooth. If you hear that clunking in the background, that's just the license plate. All the materials in here are very, very nice and soft touch. No real hard plastics. Wood grain trim is very nice. Overall though, very, very nice car. 2-liter definitely adds a lot of character, and I'm a big fan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.